innovation meets performance. Today we're diving into the all-new Toyota Corolla pickup truck 2026, a bold concept that redefines practicality with style. Known for its legendary reliability, the Corolla badge takes a surprising turn by entering the pickup segment, combining the comfort and efficiency of a sedan with the utility and toughness of a light truck. The 2026 concept doesn't just aim to transport, it aims to impress. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla pickup truck 2026 is expected to house a hybrid powertrain, offering both fuel efficiency and power. Early estimates suggest a 2.0-liter hybrid engine delivering around 200 horsepower with impressive torque for urban hauling or weekend adventures. The ride is smooth yet responsive, thanks to a finely tuned suspension setup that absorbs road imperfections while still feeling planted during highway speeds. With an estimated fuel economy of over 35 miles per gallon, it's clear Toyota is focusing on sustainability without sacrificing performance. The design is where this pickup really stands out. It features a futuristic front fascia with sleek LED headlights, a bold black grille, and aerodynamic contours that make it look more like a luxury crossover than a traditional truck. The pearl white finish gives it a premium appearance, accentuated by chrome detailing and an aggressive stance. Large alloy wheels, a sculpted hood, and flared fenders give it a sporty but commanding presence, suitable for both city streets and rugged terrains. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends technology with comfort. The interior boasts a digital dashboard, a 12-inch infotainment screen with wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and high-quality materials throughout. The seats are ergonomically designed and offer both heating and ventilation. Rear legroom is surprisingly generous for a compact pickup, making this a viable option for small families or road trips with friends. One of the most exciting features is the multifunctional cargo bed with built-in compartments and USB charging ports, tailored for both work and lifestyle needs. Safety is also a top priority, featuring Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. If you're looking for a practical vehicle that doesn't compromise on looks or tech, the Toyota Corolla pickup truck 2026 might just be your perfect ride. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Extreme for more futuristic reviews, expert breakdowns, and concept car insights.